So we have set up the delivery stream, okay, Firehose delivery stream and the S3 bucket. So now let's go and create our EC2 instances, okay, so where we can generate the log files, okay, so which we can send to the this delivery stream and finally to the S3 bucket. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just open in the new tab. So here let's go to the EC2 instance. Okay, so let's go to the instances. So let's go and create a new instance. So I'll click on launch instances. So here I'll go with the Amazon Linux to AMI. So with the T2 family, okay, that is T2 micro. So let's go to the configuration. So number of instances, I'll keep everything default. Storage, attacks if you want. So this is the configuration or configuring of security group. I'll keep it default. Let's click on review on launch. Okay, so let's click on launch. So let's create a new key pair. I'll give the key pair name as AWS Big Data and download the key pair and click on launch instances. So let's go to the instances. It's in pending state. Even let's change the name here. AWS Big Data. So right now it's in pending state. So let's refresh. Yeah, so it's running. So I'll just try open. You can see the state is running. And if you want to connect to instances, okay, so we can go to the connect. So we have a different options here: EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, and EC2 serial console. Okay, we'll go with the SSH client. Okay, so here to connect to this EC2 instance for the Windows, we'll be using something called putty, right? So you can just download. You can search putty download. Okay, and download the putty from here. Once you have downloaded, okay, so let's so these are the certain steps which you need to follow. Okay, before connecting to this instance, you have the .pm file, AWS big data, which you have just keep it which you have downloaded, right? So that we need to convert into .ppk file. Okay, so with help of putty, so I'll just search for putty gen. Okay, so once you have installed, okay, this is all, you can just find it. Okay, so putty gen, so I click on load, and so this is demo AWS. aws.pm. Okay, so it's present here. Yeah, I need to change to all files. So bigdata.pm, I'll click on open. Okay, so save private key. So even this I'll give as AWS big data, or but is this .ppk file. Okay, so it's got saved. So if you want to check it, okay, so you can see, so AWS big data .ppk file. Okay, so under the properties, so you can see it is .ppk file. Okay, so now let's go and connect. So I'll just search once again, that is putty. So I need to give host name. So I'll go to the SSH. So here under the SSH we have auth. So let's browse that .ppk file. Okay, I'll go to sessions and I'll just give AWS big data. Okay, I want to save AWS big data and save and click on open. So login as AWS user. Sorry, it's EC2 user. Okay. Yeah. So you can see it got connected. Okay, so this step is done. Okay, you need to give your EC2 user. Okay, so login as EC2 is not AWS. So this is done. So now let's install the Kinesis agent. Okay, to install, so we'll be using sudo install AWS agent. Okay, got installed. So now let's get the data. Okay, so I have just so to get the data, uh, get. Okay, so we have connected. If I do ls, yeah, so you can see, so we have just get the data, okay, which I've just stored in my GitHub. Okay, so here you can see, and this is what the log generator zip file. Okay, so let's change the mode for this so that we can unzip it. Change mode. Okay, first let's unzip. If I do unzip, give the name properly, that is log generator .py, sorry, .zip. LOGENERAT .zip.